Rosa rubiginosa, the rose plant, is a perennial blooming shrub whose lovely flowers and sharp prickles are well known. Asia is home to most species. Various species of the rose are native to other areas, and many nations around the world cultivate them. Many rose species produce a fruit called rose hips. Rose hips is what remains when all the petals fall away from the rose, assuming the rose is never harvested. The flower must be intact with the plant for the rose hips to fruit. Rose hips are very high in vitamin C, which aids in collagen production and immune system function. Rose hips may promote heart health and weight loss, in addition to delaying the onset of skin aging. Though the rose plant is mostly cultivated for the physical beauty and scent of its flowers, this plant has a variety of other uses that can provide positive benefits for the human body. Commonly used in health and beauty, the rose flower is used for its petals in not only beauty applications, but culinary applications as well. Rose water, created through the steam distillation or steeping method, can be used on the skin to tone, moisturize, and reduce the signs of aging. Rose tea, a tradition in Chinese medicine, is loaded with antioxidants that aid inflammation and eliminate free radicals that cause illnesses. Rose tea aids in menstrual cramp relief, increased memory, better eye and urinary tract health, and a lower risk of several malignancies. Rose essential oil, when used in aromatherapy, can reduce pain, stress, and anxiety. Rose essential oil, when used in combination with a carrier, can be used to reduce menstrual discomfort by massaging the concoction to the pain area. When it comes to the daily consumption of roses, in its many forms, when in doubt, consult your physician and do your own research. Remember, primary care is the care you give to yourself.